and welcome to YarnPics. In this video series, we're going to teach you everything you need to know from the start to finish of your next corner-to-corner project, also called C2C. If you bought one of our PDFs, you should see an example similar to this one with the graph and the numbered rows. If you bought one of our kits, then it should come with a crochet hook and these numbered bundles of yarn, also called bobbins. The first stage of learning how to read these instructions is to understand that the numbers on the graph, you see 1, 2, 3, and 4, these are the same numbers as the bundles of yarn. When you look at the row instructions, these are not the numbers that match these bundles of yarn. This only tells you how many of each color is on that particular row. So if we skip to row 6 here, we can jump up here and see it says 1, just like that. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1 green. So you have 1, 4, 1. And that's how we read that portion of the instructions. Now, when you do corner to corner, you could choose any which corner and choose which direction to go diagonally. But we decided with our kits that we're starting in the bottom right-hand corner, and our first step after the first block is to go up. Then we start zigzagging back and forth. And eventually, we'll work our way up and end up in the other corner. That's why they call it corner to corner. If you ever get lost during your project midway, you can choose to use the graph. You can mark that off as you go. You can put little arrows or just cross it off as you go to help you keep track. Another trick you could use is that every time we have an odd number for our kits, they go up and to the right. And if they're even, then they go start from that block down to the left. And you can test that with any part of the graph here.